Good morning and welcome to the grand opening of the Wichita Assembly Center.
This facility is the heart of the MV-75 fuselage. It showcases Bell's commitment to advancing manufacturing and accelerating U.S. Army's MV-75 Cheyenne assembly.
This aircraft advances the freedom and liberty of our allies and friends globally and creates an opportunity for Kansas once again to shine.
It will allow us to project power to bypass contested areas that the Army would have had to fight through in years before.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Bell Wichita Assembly Center is officially open for business.